Welcome to Biography of Dhruv Rathi. Chapter 1 Origins in Haryana. Dhruv Rathi was born on a crisp October day in 1994 in the picturesque state of Haryana, India. Raised in a modest yet nurturing environment, little did anyone know that this young boy would grow up to become a formidable voice for change in his country. Chapter 2 Family Ties and Personal Connections. Dhruv Rathi, known for his activism and insightful commentary, maintains a private personal life. However, it's known that he married his longtime girlfriend, Julie Ibr, in November 2021. Julie is German, and they currently reside in Berlin. Rathi has occasionally featured Julie in his vlogs, offering a glimpse into their life together. Chapter 3 Early Years in Education. From an early age, Rathi displayed a keen interest in understanding the world around him. His thirst for knowledge led him to pursue a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from NIT Kurukshetra. But his academic journey didn't stop there. Driven by a desire to make a meaningful impact, Rathi set his sights on mastering renewable energy engineering, eventually earning a master's degree from the prestigious University of Stuttgart in Germany. Chapter 4 The Rise of a Digital Activist. Armed with knowledge and a passion for positive change, Rathi embarked on a journey that would define his career. In the digital realm, he found a powerful platform to voice his opinions and share his insights. His YouTube channel became a beacon for those seeking informed discourse on politics, social issues, and environmental sustainability. Chapter 5 Advocacy and Impact. Through meticulously researched videos, Rathi became known for his critical analysis, fact-checking, and fearless critique of government policies and societal norms. His unwavering commitment to truth and transparency resonated with a growing audience, propelling him to the forefront of India's online activism scene. Chapter 6 Beyond the Screen. Despite his digital prominence, Rathi remains grounded and focused on real-world impact. He actively engages with his audience on social media platforms, sparking conversations, raising awareness, and mobilizing support for causes close to his heart. Chapter 7 Legacy in the Making. As the pages of Dhruv Rathi's biography continue to unfold, one thing remains clear. His journey is not just a personal narrative but a testament to the power of informed activism. Through his words, actions, and unwavering dedication, Rathi stands as a beacon of hope and a catalyst for positive change in a world hungry for truth and progress. Subscribe, like, share and comment.